listen to the introduction and overview of Antida. Antida works on a singular principle: data equal to anytime, anywhere, any device. Antida is the first real cross-operating system data synchronization software. Its advanced feature lets you send, receive, or schedule a data transfer from one Antida installed computer to multiple Antida installed computers. You can do a data synchronization across different operating systems. You don't need to worry about cables or internet firewalls to send or receive data. You just need the Antida installed on the computer which is connected to the internet. To use Antida, please go to www.dematas.com and click on download. Once you click on download, you should download the corresponding operating system software. Once you install and register your software from the computer, you are now connected to Dematas network. You can install and configure the Antida software on as many computers you want with the same user ID and password. In this example, we have already installed Antida. Now once you double click on Antida, it is going to ask you should use the same user ID and password which you used to register in the Dematas portal. In case if you have not registered, please use the sign up button here to sign up to the Dematas portal. Now in our example, we are going to use the login ID which we have already registered to Dematas portal. Now once we have put our email ID and password, we will click on login and it will start logging into the Dematas secure network. Please keep in mind that sometimes it may take a little longer just depending on which network you are using at that time. In this case, we are going to use a Vista01, which is the device name which we already had used before, and we are just going to click on accept. Now this brings up our Antida screen. Now in this screen you have all those features which are generally any Antida user can use all the time. In the bottom section it says join Dematas network, which says that now you have already joined the Dematas network, so you are already registered in. Now if I click on devices, you will observe one thing, that it is going to show us all the devices which has been registered by this user ID. And all those devices are automatically invited and configured for you. Once you have devices in your device list, in the known devices, you are all set to share or receive files to any devices. To do a share, you just click on, either you can click on highlight the device name and do a share from here, or you can go to this shared files and you can do a share of any files or folders. Now we will click on this shared files, and once we click on that, we will see a new screen will open where we can share any file or folder we want to share. To share a file, we will just do a right click and we will click on map. Now that we have mapped the files, if we do a drop down, we will see that we have shared Antida file. Now to send a file is as simple as clicking on sync icon here. Once we click on sync, it automatically starts sending the file. To observe the progress of the file, go and click on the progress bar here, and it will open up a new screen. And in this case, you will see that it is trying to send the files to the other side. You can highlight the file and you will be able to see what is the progress of the file at that given moment. Please note that Antida software has to be installed on both sides to send or receive the data. We think this software is going to solve a lot of problems for you, and we appreciate you spending time with us to learn more about this software. Please let us know if we can do anything more to make this software more useful for you. Thanks again for trying our software. Have a nice day.